Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today our topic is Fourier series concept. Under the Fourier series concept, we will discuss today cosine series and sine series. What is the concept behind the cosine series and sine series? So before we discuss even function and odd function. So here both will be similar. Suppose even function na cosine series, odd function na sine series. So even functions, what is the concept? If given expression, substitute x equal to minus x, should come fx, same expression should come. Once we will substitute the x equal to minus x, expression should not change. But here if you will substitute, it will get change. It will get change. So this function is known as, is not an even function. Suppose minus fx, it is coming minus fx. This is called odd function. This is called odd function. So if even functions, one Fourier coefficient will be 0, bn will be 0. If odd functions, a0 and an will be 0. That means two Fourier coefficients need not to find. So then what is the given questions here? After the half range sine series, already they mention here sine series. So we have to go the like odd function. Now so fx expressions they given in the change of interval like 0 to L. Limit they given 0 to L, you have to calculate. So first we should know what is the Fourier series for that. So summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. So here will come bn, because sine series odd functions, a0 n will be 0. So bn what will be there? Here bn will be sine will be there. Okay, sine n pi x n pi x by L. Sine n pi x by L. You can write like this also because this angle no n pi x by L. This is the given Fourier series. If we will calculate this bn, we will get the answer. If we will calculate the bn, we will get the answer. So this odd and even functions and sine series, cosine series, this will be the cosine series. This is sine series. This is sine series. Odd function, sine series, even function, cosine series. Wherever cos will be there, even function, sine will be there, odd function. That way also you can remember. Now look here. This is the Fourier series. If bn will calculate, will substitute, will get the answer. So where bn is equal to? Where bn is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L fx. This is fx. And what will be there? Sine n pi x by L dx. This is the bn equal to. This is the bn equal to. Now substitute the fx here. 2 by L 0 to L fx na kx square minus kxl. Why I wrote this? Because once we will differentiate, no, it will be easy. Kx into x, kx square. Kx into L minus kxl. Then sine, as usual, sine n pi x by L. Take like this, okay? N pi x by L. Limit 0 to L, whole dx. That is integration, so dx will be there. Now we'll integrate. So see here, what is the integrations of uv? U dash v1 u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4. This is the integration. U is first function differentiation, v is second function integration. So algebraic first, then trigonometric. So I told one time ILATE. This is the integrations rule. Which functions you will take the first function? Inverse not there, algebraic not there, logarithmic, algebraic is there. So algebraic first function, then trigonometric. So algebraic and trigonometric, first algebraic, then trigonometric. Or which terms will you take the first function? So differentiation will get easy, or after 2 or 3 step differentiations will get 0. If this you will take the u, this never get 0. So this expansions will go up to infinite. If you will take this u, this will never get 0. So that way also you can identify. So first you take u is equal to kx square minus kxl. Then what is u dash? Differentiate with respect to x. K is constant and 2x. This is 2x minus kl. This is called u dash. U double dash this part 0, this part 2k, x equal to 1, 0. So u triple dash will get 0. So this will be 2k only. Okay. So we now u triple dash till now v is equal to what is given? Sine n pi x by L. Now v1 sine minus cos integration. V we are going to integrate. This u will differentiate. So sine integration minus cos. The same terms you write n pi x by L. Then differentiation of this with respect to x na n pi by L will come. Because suppose here see cos ax or just sine sine concept, anything you can see. Suppose sine ax, what is the integration of this? Minus cos ax, then differentiation of ax na a. Here what is the angle is there? N pi x by L. So differentiation of this with respect to x, n pi by L into 1 for x. This is the basic concept here. Okay. Now second integrations. What is the second integration? Suppose we will take v2. v2 now already negative is there. Give the negative cos sine n pi x by L as it is, right? Then one more n pi L will come. N pi L will come. So n square, pi square, L square. If you will go the v3, sine minus cos, and one more sine is there. So plus cos n pi x by L. Then already 2 is there, 2 square is there. Now it will come triple dash, n cube, pi cube, L cube. This will substitute in this format. So what will write here? That implies, take like this, 2 by L is there now. That you write 2 by L. Always carry what is things is there, you carry 2 by L. U, what is U? Right here, kx square minus kxl. Just simple steps like, see this u is there, you write. V1 is there, search where is V1. V1 here. V1 is negative. So give the negative here. Then write here cos n pi x by L and divide by n pi by L. Formula minus u dash, what is 2kx, right, like this. Kx, no, so write 2kx minus kl. Minus formula. V2 also minus, so this will get plus. V2 minus, so this will get plus. What is V2? Sine n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square. Formula plus. Here also plus, here also plus. So same 2k cos n pi x by L divided by n cube pi cube by L cube. Limit 0 to L we have to substitute. So this is the integrations over. So integration simple way like this, you substitute. Take the first functions u, this is v, substitute this. First individually you calculate this only. This you calculate individually, then you substitute directly, don't do. 100% it will get wrong only. So okay, so now we got this expression. Now we'll substitute the limit, we'll get the bn value, substitute equation 1, we'll get the answer. So okay, so now where we'll write, okay, I will write the top part, then I will write here. We'll calculate now, so we'll try the top part, I'm going to rub it, okay. Problem side left. Now, substitute the limit. 2 by L, substitute upper limit, I told already, a, b, fx is there. Then what is limit? fb minus fa. Why fb minus fa? Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So this way we can substitute L here. So kl square minus kl square 0. So first functions will come 0. So that entire will be 0. Here sine. If you will put sine L n pi, this will get 0. Automatically this sine is there, na, this terms also will get 0 only. Okay, sine parts will get 0 only. So here itself you can write this. This will get 0, either sine 0, then n pi will be 0 only, cos n pi minus 1 power n. Sine n pi L by L, again will become sine n pi. So already before I wrote sine n pi is equal to 0, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n. This you know first. So this sine term, these full terms will get 0. So we will not substitute the limit here. Then you come here, plus 2k cos n pi l, cos n pi l, l get cancelled, so cos n pi only. If you put l will get cancelled. Then denominator l cube, take the top, denominator will be l cube. Then what is that denominator? N cube pi cube. N cube, write consume nicely. N cube pi cube. Why? Because this will denominator will go top. So will be n cube pi cube minus, you take this small bracket, minus lower limit 0. Here k into 0 0, so this part again 0. This already 0. So cos 0 1. So this if we will put here 0, cos 0 1. So directly we can write plus 2k cos 0 1. So 2k l cube by n cube pi cube. See here. If we will substitute here 0, cos 0 1, 1 by this. So 1 by this, L cube will go top, this will write now. Now upper limit, lower limit we substituted. Now we will solve it. What is the Bn will come? That implies Bn is equal to 2 by L, you see here, 2k L cube minus 1 power n. Why minus 1 power n? Cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n. Divide by n cube pi cube minus 2k L cube by n cube pi cube. 2k L cube n cube pi cube, that's all. Now you take common. What things will get common? 2k L cube n cube pi cube will get common. So 2 by L is there. Then you will take 2k L cube by n cube pi cube common. What will be there here? Minus 1 power n minus 1. So now L cube, L will get cancelled. So what will write here? 4 k L square n cube pi cube minus 1 power n minus 1. Now look here, what we'll do. This Bn now, so this okay, this part I will rub it here. So I'll write again here. This part. Look here. N is there now. N is equal to 1. Now this Bn will be exit only either even or odd. Suppose we'll put here n is equal to even. Even number na 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 like this. So power 2. What will come here? If you will power 2 na 1 minus whole square, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. For the even function, so for even functions, I will write now different color. For even function, Bn will be 0. How? You see here, even function I put 2. 2 now this will plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now if n is odd, that means 1, 3, 5. Odd function, this also will come minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So minus 8 k L square by n cube pi cube. It will come. Bn will come. This is the Bn now. This part will come minus 2, so it taken. Now substitute in equation 1. Substitute Bn in equation 1. What will come here? Fx equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 8k L square by n cube pi cube sine n pi x by L. Then what it changes here? Now for the odd function. So here what will write? N is equal to 1, 3, 5. This is the x. This is the answer for us. This is the Fourier series. See here, n is equal to 1. Even function 2, 4, 6. Odd function 1, 3, 5. You substitute, it will not get 0. So here you have to mention. So this is the difference between general Fourier series and half range sine range cosine series. So always you have to take care this part 1 comma 3 comma 5 dot dot dot. So here sometimes even functions will come, sometimes odd functions. This you have to mention. Okay. Okay, students. Check the steps carefully and do the full video, revise the full video, then only you will understand. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you.